Good morning everyone and welcome to Truvine Garden Columbari, showing you the latest update of the most luxurious memorial garden in Cebu. Today is September 13, birthday of President Bongbong Marcos. Just to let you know that we are sure about the date. Okay, so right now our temporary chapel is here. Just showing you a quick look. I don't think we need to go inside. You've seen already what's inside. Okay, we go first to Jardin Bitanya. So as you can see, the trees, the plants are all growing fairly well. And even the banaba tree is already growing tall, and as you can see from this area alone, we already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, more than 10 adornments. We even have an adornment yesterday. So clearly this place has become the preferred choice of the Cebuanos, preferred choice as a final resting place of their dearly departed. So as we have promised from the very start, this is going to be a last garden. Okay, the bigger part of the area is dedicated into garden and park. Okay, so this is Bitanya, and we are now approaching Nazareth, the next garden with its own different character also. These are yellow copper pod. You can see, is that a flower already? Almost a flower. So give 1 or 2 years, these trees will also grow already. Now we are about to install the natural black granite stones as vaults in this area. And these cypress trees, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 of them, represent these 12 apostles. This is also memorial trees, and this is actually the very cypress tree that the Ark of Covenant was made of, the wood from this tree. Okay, we are now on our way to the Pet Columbari. We have already installed the steps, and the groundworks preparation already being done. So this area is the Pet Columbari here. Towards the end of this year, this will be already ready for adornment. In fact, we have already been accepting adornments for columbaris, but we are just putting them for now in a holding area. Now we are almost done with the central part of the place, which is a beautiful flower garden, which is expected to bloom all year round. These are familiar flowers, but you put them together. These are flowers that actually attract the bees, the butterflies, and which gives life to the development. We are officially opening this area to the public for the first time in a public viewing this coming September 20, as we announce our next round of price increase. So congratulations to those who have invested early. This is I think our second or third price increase this year due to public demand of the place. The value appreciation of this property is really going really high, considering that demand is always going up, and considering that we have no direct competition or direct competitor in this segment of the industry. So that is our latest report from the Sea of Flowers. I hope you're happy with your investment and you still have a chance to beat the price increase and invest again in Truvine Garden Columbari, the most luxurious garden columbari in the Philippines. Thank you and good morning.